Hello, viewers. I'm glad you're here. Just a quick video today. I wanted to give you an update on this hahyangju. You can watch me brew this lotus scent wine in a previous video. You can watch the whole brewing process. And also I discuss the gumang dak, the whole rice cakes. A very laborious part of this recipe is making the gumang dak and crushing them, and then kneading it in with the nuruk. So this is hahyangju, which I bottled almost 3 months ago. I wanted to share with you how it has changed over this time. One thing that hasn't changed is that it hasn't settled anymore. It's still very thick. There's so much sediment in here. It's very thick and syrupy. The aroma is light, not too much aroma. It's actually very sweet. There's a lot of sugar in here, but it's also tart. It's actually pretty zingy at the end, sort of lemony. The most special thing about this, I think, is the texture. The texture is excellent. Even though it's thick, it is silky smooth. This is the thickest brew I've ever done, but it's not chalky at all. It is silky smooth. And this lemony taste and the aftertaste is sort of wheaty and milky. Really makes it taste like a lemon pie or maybe a key lime pie. So this is like a dessert makgeolli in a tiny cup. So it's a very special brew. I'm glad I made it. I don't know if I made it right, but this is what I got, and it is a good result. So very sweet, zingy key lime pie. Just wanted to share that with you today. Thank you for watching.